How are you? Good to see you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
The camera is not camera. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This session is now closed. I would humbly ask the visiting delegation to...
Thank you very much.
Are we good?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
The visit was supposed to be a courtesy call, but you don't come to see Mr. President and not use the opportunity fully to also deal with other issues. And of course, to get the economy moving again is one of the top priorities of the program of this administration. So we, from our own part, discussed issues that are related to reviving the economy.
So how are the solutions coming through to solve the challenges you have just mentioned?
For us, just two words will describe it: security and gas supply. They go together.
So how do you want the president to
Handle security, that will unlock more gas to plants. We can produce at a higher capacity and we make more revenue. We pay our taxes, huge amounts of taxes and dividend declarations. All that will have an upshot if we can tackle those two major problems.